Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and today is my first day of my internship. So this series is going to be about a week of my internship. So छोटे छोटे clips होंगे जो मेरे internship में हो रहे होंगे. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. सो एक्चुअली देखा जाए दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप लाइक ऑफलाइन. ऐसे मैंने इंटर्नशिप्स करी है बट वो हमेशा मेरे कंफर्ट जोन घर से रही है और आई एम बिट नर्वस लाइक हाउ डज कॉर्पोरेट वर्क्स एंड टू मेनी क्वेश्चंस. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गेट रेडी एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. So the very second thing I do after taking my bath is to make my breakfast and leave as soon as possible for office. It's quite difficult to find auto in the morning. Yeah, but I have to do it anyway. Honestly, now autos are my lifeline. So here I am at my office. I'm quite nervous. So quick tour of my office. So this is the major area, first floor. This is a conference room and here are the director sits in these two cubics and that is a workstation where I am going to work actually. And this is how workstation looks from inside. Everybody is busy doing their work. So so my major role is to see and look after the digital marketing and the traditional marketing. And it's duty of 9:30 to 6:30. Actually, it's quite an experience because I've been learning what I love to do it. So this is the view from my office. I know it's very pretty and soothing at the same time and aesthetic too. As I don't drink chai or coffee, so my go-to drink always be this hot water, which I know it's weird, but yeah. During lunchtime, we all sit together and have a lunch. And today I got flowers too, so. And again, we have to come at the workstation and we have to do our work. And in evening, again, we have a tea break. And so today was a celebration of our HR ma'am. So this is the glimpse of the celebration led by the director sir and ma'am. And we had a lot of fun and cute cupcakes too. It was a good day. And after that, I got a chance to sit in a conference room and attend the meeting. Obviously, I can't shoot that much, but it was again a great experience. So every morning I have this to-do list which I have to complete and a kind of a complete task which I have to do in a day and some new performing task which man teach me or taught me during whatever happening in the firm. So that's it. And this is my colleague Sakshi, who is an HR intern. And then this is the evening scene while we leave from the office and lead to our home. So this is my day at my internship. I hope you like it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified. Bye.